A beautifully wrapped gift is like a smile covered with curiosity and surprise. Add some creativity, it shows your time, effort, and thought behind the gift. There is no limit to creativity. I shall be sharing a few of my ideas with you. I love a wide variety of things to use for tying up my gifts. It can be the beautiful red and white twine, or the white and green twine, or even a humble jute string is so pretty. It's loved so beautiful. I even use white string sometime, and sometime a thick yarn is also so pretty. I love the soft red color of this. White satin ribbon, metallic ribbons, or even the classic broad-sized red ribbon, or any other pastel ribbons. They look so pretty. Talking about gift tags, I love cardstock paper or any good hard handmade paper. Even those little scraps, I tend to save them, cut them into shapes and save them. I add just a little hole to add my ribbon or a string through it. And these are such pretty tags. They can be in any shapes, a flag shape, a rectangles, or little flags like this, narrow ones, or very much like the official ones. These kind of tags are also pretty. They are pretty easy to make. Just cut your desired shape using a ruler and scissors. I sometimes like to add a little touches of gold, just a little border onto small tags, and they just look so classical beauty. For this kind of flags, I like this little circle or a square piece in the center. Just cut the flags out and add a little glue onto a little piece of cardstock paper, or use something like a small tiny pretty washi tape and glue it here where the hole would be. Once dried, just punch a hole. Now a single hole puncher is a very convenient thing for such a thing, but I do manage with my double hole puncher. I just turn it so that I can look at the hole where it would lie and just punch it together. Perfect. This looks so pretty. For the narrow ones, I just prefer to write a name or just a very small message. The bigger ones have more space, so I can write a lot of things. I just pencil marked the square in the center, and then I took my gold tip pen and I wrote love inside this space. And just to fill and enhance this space, I'm just going to add some dots here. Just adding a little dimension, and I think this is cute in itself. Now this is something very different. I've taken a cardstock paper in a darker color, and this is something like a wax paper or a transparency or a tracing paper kind of thing. I've cut them to be of the same size absolutely, and I punched them together so that the holes are in perfect alignment. Now I can write the name or any message in the dark paper below, and on the top one I just draw some snowflakes or maybe stars. I just love the gold over the tracing paper. It looks beautiful. And then string the two pieces together through this hole. It looks really classic. If you have one of these official tags, you can use any cardstock paper that you have. Just mark the outlines or just measure and mark using a graph paper and cut your own shapes out. Add some washi tape or some paper to give that very neat finish where the holes will be. I just hand letter something, a little message or what name, and then just thicken some of the edges to give it that classic font kind of look, a bit of professional look. Comes like this, and I like this ends coming out of the paper or going towards the edge of the paper. They look so pretty. Here is another tag, and again you can fill them or leave them empty. So simple yet very inexpensive way of decorating, adding those personal touches, and these are really pretty, and the receiver feels good because a lot of thought has gone into making these, and the person feels special that you gave them your time in making these. A plain white paper can be very pretty, but maybe a simple pattern, hand drawn or stamped, can also look beautiful. I'm not even attempting to be perfect here, but these look beautiful. Adding little extra to the gifts, maybe a little toy for a boy, a torchlight, or a calendar. This shows year after year the calendar accurately, or a magnetic compass for an explorer, a floral keychain for a little girl, or these are my handmade ornaments. I made a separate video for these. I'll put a link to them on the card section above and also at the end of the video. One can add Swiss knife, or even a pen drive in form of a keychain is a great utility little gift, or even a card holder. This is shining too much. Well, a little extra is always loved. Time to wrap up this video. I hope you liked my ideas on gift wrapping, gift tags, gift papers, ribbons, accessories, greens, everything that I used here. Please let me know how you feel about this video. Thank you so much for watching and take care. See you soon.